In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in a Jira Kanban board. This is an essential tool for organizing large bodies of work into manageable tasks, especially when dealing with complex projects. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, to get started, you'll want to navigate to the backlog of your Kanban project. It's your control room for planning and prioritizing tasks that need more focus. Here, you'll find the building blocks for setting up your epic. Once you're all set in the backlog view, direct your attention to the left side of the board. This is where you'll discover the Epics panel, a key area for managing these high-level narratives that help you structure your project efficiently. Now, the next step is to locate the Create Epic button within this panel. Clicking on this button is your gateway to initiating a new epic. Think of it as planting a seed for your project timeline. Once you click on this option, you're prompted to enter a name for your epic. Choose a name that clearly describes the overarching theme or objective of your epic. This helps ensure that everyone on your team understands the focus. After typing in the name, you'll need to press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm it. With your epic now created, you'll see it listed in the Epics panel. To delve deeper, look out for the caret button next to your newly named epic on the left side. Clicking this small icon will reveal the option to View All Details. Selecting this option is crucial as it opens up the Complete Details panel, which you'll see showcased on the right side of your screen. This panel is where the real magic happens, offering you the opportunity to flesh out your epic with more comprehensive information. It's here that you can add a description and any other important details that are pertinent to your higher level goals. This could include objectives, relevant information for your team, deadlines, or any critical notes about the resources required to complete the tasks within the epic. This information will serve as guidance and a point of reference throughout the project's lifecycle. And there you have it. Creating an epic in your Jira Kanban board is a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance your project management efficiency by breaking down complex projects into manageable, team-friendly chunks. By regularly updating and revisiting your epics, you ensure your team remains aligned with the big picture goals while still focusing on the finer details. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your project management approach in Jira. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Until next time, happy project managing.